Okay. Greetings. I'm Professor Riggs. I'm your instructor for this class. Let me make it one more. We'll go to maximum screen here. By the way, so we've got this set on the screen thing. Let me adjust this a little bit so you can see me. Welcome to Backyard Physics Lab. It's pretty straightforward class. I know some of you are concerned. We're concerned about, well, how do I log into this and where is all the information and all that? I haven't posted it yet until now, and now I'm getting ready to do it. And I'm cleaning it up. I was just going to transfer the entire class over, the entire first lesson over. But I remembered there's some tricky statistics to do in it and all that. So I wanted to make sure that you got some. It sounds hard that there's tricky statistics in it, but you don't have to calculate it. I've given you a website where you just put in the data that you get from the lab that you're going to do, which is Freefall Lab, and you can figure out the reaction times of different people. And I got to give you some extra time to do this lab because the pre-lab you should get done in a week, but it'll probably take you. It might be kind of hard to get, where you're in a place or where you feel comfortable about asking, two groups of people, two different groups of people to do the experiment. It'll take them about 5 seconds to do. Okay. All right. So anyway, that's the. I just wanted to introduce myself and welcome to Backyard Physics. And you'll have 5 labs to do, and that's all. And with each of those labs, there's a pre-lab. So there's about 10 assignments due. So every week, pretty much, you'll be doing something for 10 weeks, and then you can be done with the class because I'll have them all posted in that time frame, those 2-week time frames. We got to be pretty hard and fast on due dates because, as I said in the syllabus. Well, let me just go through the syllabus. By the way, I just wanted to. This is my beautiful office here in 250A Flairsham Hall. If you walk in the front door of Flairsham Hall, the front door that faces Rock Hill, and you make an immediate left and go down this long hallway. Where we physics professors are hanging out is right at the end of that hallway. I have been, quick introduction on me, I've been at UMKC now I'm starting my 13th year, I think. I came in 1970, yeah, so at the end of this year I'll have 13 years here. Been here a long time. I have to come clean. I am not I'm not a physicist, I'm a teacher. I I graduated from Mizzou way back in the mid 80s. In the era of big hair. As a matter of fact, when Bonnie Tyler's Total Eclipse of the Heart, if you saw the eclipse, I guess they wore that song out. I didn't know that was going on. I'm kind of oblivious to some cultural phenomenon every once in a while. But back in the mid 80s, and I had a career in the Marines for 24 years, 12 years of active duty. And then when I was joined the reserves, I became a teacher down in our alternative schools in the Hickman Mills District, and then I went to Ruskin, and then I went to the Don Bosco Charter High School. My PhD is in physics and math education, and I got that while I was working, but I was here at UMKC, and I had the best of both worlds because I got to work a full-time job where I was going to school, and it was great. So I was really blessed on that. Anyway, so that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And I hope you enjoy this class. So far, the reviews have been pretty darn good. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So we'll just log out here.